It's time to grill, oh yeah, the flavor's real and I can't take it. We're about to smoke these down, we've got one shot meat and be risky. First we trim, bind them up, add honey jalapeno. You can't be shy right now, you want these tight, you're Frankieboscobbq. 3 hours in the smoke, 250, foil them kind of tightly. Add butter, glitter, brown sugar. Oh no, I spilled some honey. Whip up a glaze, but keep an eye, this part will go quite quickly. 15 or 20, and these ribs will be tender and sticky. Now time to taste, no time to waste. Let's slice and plate these up, bro. That glitter tastes so right, it's sweet plus heat. Flavor crescendo. Honey Jalapeno. 1,000 sprinkles from you is not enough. 1,000 sprinkles from you is not enough. Like, subscribe, and buzz back for more blazing content. Hope y'all buzz back for more.